So what is a Salafi? Salafi means I follow the Quran and the Sunnah according to the Sahaba and the Tabi'een, Atba' al-Tabi'een. That's too long to say that. So summarize it, I'm a Salafi. That's what it means. But I'm not saying get t-shirt Salafi and walk the street. Understand? No. When it's needed,
you have to class yourself as that.
it's needed, yes. Some ulama mention it's needed to clarify yourself. And there's no, brother, as Ibn Taymiyyah mentioned in his fatwa, it's compulsory to accept someone says I'm a Salafi. Because the term Salafi is terminological, which is legislative terminological. That have been used by Imam Abu Hanifa before, Imam Ahmed, Ibn Sanakhi. But we cannot say I'm a Salafi and you have no clue about Salafiyah. Like we don't want to be like our brother Ali Dawah. He claims to be Salafi, but he has no clue what is Salafiyah. No, learn what is Salafiyah. How to learn Salafiyah? By reading the books of the Salaf. Sharh al-Sunnah, Imam al-Barbahari. Usul al-Sunnah, Imam Ahmed ibn Hanbal al-Shaybani. Alhamdulillah, we are doing a workshop in our masjid free. We don't charge